As I sit out here at the gravesite of my mom, she finally got her plaque today. And it's so beautiful. I miss her so much. I really do. We don't have a big family. Her sisters are gone. My grandmother's gone. I haven't spoke to my brother and my sister since my mom passed. My cousins, we don't talk. I talk to one, but everyone else is just estranged. So it do feel lonely. I can always call my mom. I have my granddaughter out here with me and my two dogs. I do. I miss my mom so much. You know your mom you can always talk to, confide in, and she love you unconditionally no matter what. You don't have to worry about shadiness with your mother. You don't have to worry about that. I miss you, Mom, so much. Love your mother. Love on your mother. Love on your mother. Enjoy every moment. Take plenty of photos. Take videos. Just do that. I'm in a generation again where I just feel so alone. I do. Love on your mother. Let me show you her headstone. It's so beautiful. That's it. It was installed. I wanted to make sure it was right. It was installed. Again, as I always say, I just really, I just love on your mother. Have a good one.